I know I don't usually do videos like this.
Hey y'all, it's Aisha A-Rap here, and I'm here for the first time with a tutorial on how I lay this lace front wig on this little forehead. Let's get started.
So I'm ready to put my wig cap on. This is how my hair looks under the wig cap. It's very short. So what I'm going to do is just take some of this got to be glue, you know, and put it around sporadically. I'm going to try to rub it through as best as I can to get all the pieces. Okay, and I'm going to take this actually first. I'm going to make sure the front especially has all the stuff combed back, all the hair combed back. So I'm like, any of this hair. Oh my god, my dog is tripping. Just ignore him. Hold on. Okay. Also, my hair is clean. I washed and conditioned it. So if you're gonna do this and you're keeping your hair on for a couple of days, make sure you wash your hair because you don't want any itchies and scratchies. No bugs bugging you. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this down over my eyebrows. As you can see, my hairline is fairly low. But what we're going to do is concentrate on the hairline and apply thin layers of this. I actually saw a girl do this with like a hair dyeing like the paintbrush or whatever, and I thought that was really smart of her. But I don't have one of those, so I'm using my fingers. And this is the first layer. We're going to be doing 2 layers anyway. This takes so long, so it's been about 10 minutes that I did this. I actually rested in between, but I wanted to do it until I went like this and it didn't feel sticky. So that's what's going on right now. It doesn't feel sticky. And I'm going to apply a second layer, okay? So this one just goes right over the top, the same. This is the second layer of glue, and I'm going to do the same thing, so be right back. Okay, girl, I am still here. That took forever to dry. I'm not even gonna front because you don't want any stickiness. And it's work, man. I started checking emails. I got me a glass of wine. Like, this is literally the last step or second to last step before I apply the wig. So I'm going to just put a little foundation right here, which I don't want to do, but I have to because this is so light, and as you can see, like, there's the whiteness there. I don't want that to show, so just a little bit of foundation. Okay, and I want to make sure this is all the way into. I'm actually gonna get a little darker, so little. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, that should be enough. This area is really where we need it. Getting as close as possible is really the key to all of this. And having the cap lay down flat. So I'm gonna have to go back in there and cut that to get it close, and I'll tell you or show you what I'm talking about in just a second. Okay. So you see, like this, I have to cut that close. I have a ring on my forehead from it. The stocking cap sitting there so long, so just warning you. That might happen to you, it's okay. Okay, you see this? How it's lifting? That has to go. So we're pretty solid. And this that's hanging down, I'm just gonna cut around. I didn't secure it back here because I don't need to. I don't glue my wigs in the back because it irritates me. I'm actually gonna use this foundation. Okay, so that worked out. All right, time to put the wig on. Okay. Imagine that, okay? Imagine I just left the house like this. Say hi, Monty. Hi, look. Look, say hi. Say hi. Say hi, I'm pretty. So today I'm going to be doing a side part. But what I'm going to do is make sure she's even before I glue her down. So let's just match up the sides, because I did this once and it was so lopsided, but it was okay because I made it a side part and I made it work. All right. I have this final layer of glue. I'm going to just fan over it so I could get a little tacky. Make sure it's extra sticky. Okay. I got my muffin cap pushed back right now. I'm gonna go like this because I don't want it to get on the wig. Oh, here goes nothing, guys. This is the most difficult part to me, getting it on. Sorry I wasn't in the camera, but I had to look in the mirror behind. And I'm pushing it down into place where I want it. Now this is important because my forehead is small. This area right here, you're going to put diagonally to your eyebrow, about a ½ an inch away. You see that? This is a safe distance, I feel like, because if you don't put it down that low, the wig won't lay right. Okay. The wig right here diagonally to your eyebrow. All right. See that there's a gap right there? To make sure the lace is stretched and coming down. Okay. Oh, very gently, I'm just doing this. You see this? I need to apply some glue there. Now I applied on my wig cap here because I knew that this part would be on my wig cap as much as I can, but this part is on my face, and I never know how much glue to put on my face. So, again, as clear as I can get it. And there we go. You see that looks much better right now. I'm going to go in and do the same on this side. I'm gonna hold it down with this. Check this side first, see if I need any more glue. And yes, at the very tip I do, before I put this down. Now this is about another like 5 minutes of glue drying. I told you, like, we started an hour ago. I know this video isn't that long, but we literally started this process an hour ago. And girl, we needed to do every step because you don't want this thing flying off. Ended up putting 2 strips on, one to make sure this was really secure and one to go over my temples, because that's like my most problematic area and I want to make sure that's really dry. So I'm going to just do my thing, clean up a little bit, and I'll be back in like 15-20 minutes. I'm back, guys, and I'm sad to say that it's getting dark outside. This is how long I've been doing this. Okay, sorry, I thought I was recording, but I've only done one thing. I took this straightening mist, which you use before you flat iron your hair, and just on this side, I sprayed it and started to comb my hairline back. Computer is right here. These hairs on this side are pressed into the glue from holding it down. So I'm just gonna do this again on this side at the hairline to loosen it up and just start to comb those hairs back and separate them so they could be free, so they can flow, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, now we're finally ready to style it. I have my flat iron here getting warm. Oh, turn it on now. And I show you how it looks when she's all straight. kind of like how this looks. You know, it's giving me sophisticated soccer mom. You know what I'm saying? I need to get back there, but for a second I was trying to figure out where my part was going to be, but I think this is where we're going to settle. So I'm going to just clean up with the flattening iron and make sure I got everything. All right, I think this is it. This is my final look. I'm giving myself like soccer mom with a corporate job. That's what I think this hair is giving me. Hopefully this helps someone like me who has a small forehead. And thank you for watching my video. If you could give me a thumbs up, or even better, if you can subscribe. Oh my God, I would love that. Help a sister out. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.